Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So finally, after the long wait, the new update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is out now, and this is the October update, and this is the first update after the OneUi 8 update. So to update it, simply go into the settings and tap on software update. From here, tap on download and install, and from here you can update your device on the latest October 1st 2025. The update size is around 437 MBs in size, and it is the security patch level of the October 1st 2025. It also includes some more app updates, so all of these apps will be also updated with this update. First of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply install it on your device. A similar update was also available for the Galaxy S25 earlier, but now it is available finally for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Once the update is downloaded, simply tap on install now to install the update, but keep in mind that you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. And once your device is completely free, simply tap on install now and the update will be installed on your device. Your device will automatically restart and the update will be installed. And once the installation process is complete, you will get to see that your device will be on the latest October 1st 2025 security patch. And if we talk about that what's new, so this security patch includes some device stability improvements and bug fixes that were there before with the OneUi 8 update. So in short, if you were facing any bug or issue with the older update, that will be hopefully fixed with this new update. And that's it for today's video. This was a new update available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. Let me know in the comment section that have you got this October update on your device or not yet. And if you do know this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.